it's your boy Saya.
Your boy Reese, you know what I'm saying?
And today we're back with another video. So today we're gonna be doing what,
Right,
Reese?
today we're gonna be doing a fake sneeze prank on people in Walmart, you know what I'm saying? Got the water bottle right here.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we just
Put it in the
gonna do
pocket, you know what I'm saying?
Let's get ready in the video. Let's go.
Listen. I got olive. I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get these though. No. Look. Then go home, take the video. Oh, shoot. You good? Bless you, my boy. He has olive. He has bad olive.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
What the hell you doing?
What?
You asking if I know where the big dicks are?
No.
What?
No,
The
no.
Lay's chips?
Lay's chips.
You said big dick.
I said
No.
Lay's chips.
It's because the mask is covering him, but we said Lay's chips.
No. Y'all gonna have to leave the store. Come on. Y'all gotta be careful with what y'all do with the keys. Y'all just gotta be mindful. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all look like a dyke. Huh? Y'all look like a dyke. Excuse me.
No, it said we have lights.
Have what?
Lights.
Lights?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'll add one.
What do you thought he said?
Did what, man?
I'm trying to take this pipe.
What now?
I'm trying to take this pipe.
Pipe?
Are you trying to take this pipe?
No.
No.
Do you guys sell lights?
Yeah, that being left.
I don't understand why you even did this for yourself. This made you look so fucking stupid. This shit make you look so stupid.
Oh, I'm sorry. It was a prank. No, it was a... Oh, snap. How we get here?
But hey, man, thank you for watching the video, bro. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you new, bro.
And hit that ring, ding, 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 ding bell. Thank you. Enjoy watching.